Now let's take a look at multiplying and dividing rational expressions. And the steps for multiplying are factor the numerators and denominators, then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, divide out any common factors. For division, you'll pretty much do the same thing, but the first step that you do is to take the reciprocal of the second rational expression, and then you will just follow the same steps for multiplication. So example 1 says multiply. These could also say simplify, or they could say perform the operation. So what I have here is one rational expression and another rational expression. My first step is to factor. So this is already factored out. I can't do anything else. But this I notice is the difference of squares, and that factors to x plus 3, x minus 3. This I notice I can factor out a 2, so that's 2 times x minus 2. Multiply it all the way across, so this is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. And over here I have x plus 3 times 2 times x minus 2. Then I look to see what cancels out. The x plus 3's cancel out, the x minus 2's cancel out. I'm left with x plus 3 over 2. Let's take a look at another example. This one says divide. So I have 3x minus 9 over x squared minus x minus 20 over x squared plus 2x minus 15 divided by x squared minus 25. Those are two rational expressions. I take the reciprocal of the second one. When I take the reciprocal, that means flip. So I flip the second rational expression and I turn it into a multiplication problem. And then I factor. I notice I can factor out a 3 from here. I factor out a 3 and I'm left with x minus 3. I notice that this factors, I'm looking for the factors of c that add up to the b value. So the factors of negative 20 that add up to a negative 1 would be a negative 5 and a positive 4. So that factors into that. Here's the difference of squares again, so that's x plus 5, x minus 5. Here I'm looking for factors of the c value, which are negative 15, that add up to 2, so that would be negative 3 and positive 5. Then I go ahead and I multiply across, so 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 5 times x minus 5, and that's on the numerator, and then x minus 5 times x plus 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 5 is in the denominator. I look to see what I can cancel out. Well, the x plus 3's cancel. The x minus 3's cancel, the x plus 5's cancel, and the x minus 5's cancel. So I'm left with 3 in the numerator and x plus 4 in the denominator.